It can be frustrating when your iPhone battery drains quickly, but there are several solutions to extend its life before considering a replacement. Common causes include recent iOS updates, minor operating system bugs that can often be resolved with a restart, or a declining battery health, which Apple recommends servicing if capacity drops below 80%. Additionally, you can optimize battery usage by enabling low power mode, monitoring and reducing usage of high-drain apps like 3D games or social media, keeping apps and your operating system updated, and disabling background app refresh. Further improvements can be made by dimming your screen or enabling auto brightness, using dark mode, disabling rise to wake, turning off location services when not needed, and managing excessive notifications to prevent constant buzzing.